Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, you are going to learn how you can connect your Eufy Homebase to Wi-Fi and complete the setup using the Eufy security application. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply connect your Homebase to your router using the included Ethernet cable and plug it into the power. Most of the Eufy Homebase models must be activated via a wired connection before they can use Wi-Fi. After doing this, you just have to simply open your Homebase application. Then you just have to go to the settings, then go to the general settings and choose the option of Wi-Fi setup. Now inside the Wi-Fi setup, you need to make sure that the 2.4 gigahertz network is selected because this is what needed for your Homebase model. Then simply when the app confirms that the Homebase is connected to the Wi-Fi, you just have to simply unplug the Ethernet cable. The LED should remain solid blue, indicating that the Homebase is now operating over Wi-Fi instead of the wired connection. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.